Hi everyone, my name is Ben.
And I'm Shawn.
As a small business owner, I need better Wi-Fi everywhere. So what are my options?
So your options are a home router, which isn't really meant for a business, or you can run an access point. But today we're looking at a mesh Wi-Fi system called Orbi Pro.
So why Orbi Pro?
So Orbi Pro is unique in the fact that it's AC 3000 tri-band Wi-Fi. So what that means is you're going to get a fast connection between your router and your satellites and cover up to 10,000 square feet without running a single wire.
Really cool. So what about some other great business features?
So great business features is going to be really easy to set up. It's all app-based. Also has network separation. So that means you're going to separate your guest traffic from your employee traffic and keep everything separated from your important files. And finally, there's also a guest captive portal. And what that means is you can add all your branding, your own terms and conditions, so that when guests try to access the Wi-Fi, they have to agree to all of that to get into the network.
Awesome. So it seems like a lot of great features, easy to set up, great speed everywhere, connect your guests and your employees properly. What more could you ask for?
You can't. Orbi Pro gives you better Wi-Fi everywhere.